guys, Isai here with Automotive Projects, and we are currently on our way to go and meet up the guy for the 1966 Ford Bronco drop-off. I know it's a very exciting day. This is actually our first Ford project. We usually deal with Nissan or Toyota. It's in Honda, a lot of Honda. So it's not something we are too familiar with, but if you're a fabricator, man, you can build anything and make anything fit into anything, trust me. So we're on the way to meet up the guy. We just recently got this. They're super hard to get. They're very expensive, but like we were telling the team, if we think that the Ford Bronco is expensive today, just wait for another 5-10 years. It's gonna be impossible to get just because of the price tag they put on these things. So yeah, stay tuned and join with us, guys. It's gonna be a pretty amazing process. So thank you guys, and see you in a bit. All right, guys, we're here, and they actually just arrived with the Ford Bronco. Exciting. We're seeing that they're backing it up right here, right now. There she is. You can see all those rust holes on there. This thing's rough. But it is a Bronco, 1966. It's gonna need a lot of loving, and most importantly, a lot of money. Guys, so we're here. We got the truck finally off of the trailer. We had a big issue. One of the tires was seized, the other tire was flat, and it would lose air right away. But here it is. As you can see right behind me, we got the Bronco. Looks really good. It's really good right there. So I'm gonna go around and just kind of show you guys what you get nowadays when having the Bronco. Like I said from the beginning, she's rough. We already knew what we're getting ourselves into. Sometimes picture don't justify how rough it is. It's pretty rough, but hey, we're up for the challenge on anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just a little bit about the on the vehicle, inside and out. So we see the rockers right here. They got some rust. The quarter panels I'm not too worried about. If you guys know about Broncos, a lot of times what they'll do is they're gonna start to cut a lot of the quarter panel out, so they could put the fender flares for bigger tires. I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. So a lot of the quarter panel is gonna be cut out, so I'm not too worried about that. This one did come with the roof. The roof seems to be in rough shape. We seem to have a big old ding right there. It's all good. Sledgehammer popped that right out. The tailgate, it's rough. It's got a lot of roughness around there. I did find a tailgate locally for 150 bucks. I think I'm gonna go ahead and scoop that one up, and yeah, she's gonna look good. But let me go around the other side. The other side is just as rough. But like I said, I'm not too worried about the quarter panels. They're gonna be changed out. Yeah, this top is definitely coming out. It's coming out, and we're gonna go ahead and work on that. The rockers are eating up as bad. It's got a lot of surface rust. Let me show you inside. Like I said, she's gonna need a lot of sheet metal work. The back. So this is the back. The floorboards are, I'm not gonna say they're decent because they're shot out, but at least we have something to scope around and work with. The back seats, they're not too good. Everything's gotta be remade. Everything. Top. Needs some work. Over here, we open the door. The door seems to be really wobbly. Really wobbly. It was holding on by dear life. The good thing is it's got the glasses on it. It's got the glasses, and sometimes those glasses are pretty difficult to get a hold of. This is actually my first time taking a look at this Bronco thoroughly. I bought it online, and I mean, I took a chance. I think a lot of times as car buyers, you take a chance. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. For this one, I think it's definitely a hit. Definitely a hit, because these things are super hard to get. All this is super easy to change out. This is just straight up flat sheet metal. We get a pretty thick gauge sheet metal, but I mean, for the most part, seats, they seem to be in fairly okay condition. You can see the back. Like I said, I'm up for a challenge. It's rough, but it's just the way we like it. So we definitely got a lot of work to do, but hey, it's a Bronco, and for those of you guys that know about Broncos, they're super hard to get. They're even becoming way harder to get. So yeah, we're happy. Like I said, this is the first time I'm taking a thorough look at the Bronco. It's in rough condition. We knew it was gonna be off the back. It's a little bit rougher than I thought, anticipated, but I think for the most part, it's got no engine in it. So we're gonna be looking for an engine swap soon. But yeah, 1966 Ford Bronco. It definitely has a lot of potential. We cannot wait to get it started. So like we mentioned, this thing has no engine. We're gonna see if we can get the hood popped open. Shouldn't be much to it. There it is. All right. These hoods are actually really heavy, As you can see, the engine bay. It's got a transmission in there. It's not too bad. Original radiator. This is what we're looking at. The subframe seems to be in good condition, so that was my main concern. Got some rust here. Obviously, we knew that was gonna come. It's part of the territory. But yeah, for the most part, I mean, like I said, it's a Bronco. More times than not, I think these fenders might be changed out. I think they just look like they're gonna need too much hours, and it's not worth it. But yeah, radiator. And these hoods are definitely way heavier than your normal hood. But yeah, guys, one of the cool things about these Broncos nowadays is that they'll refabricate pretty much anything. So I saw the fenders online. I saw actually the rockers, the quarter panels. So they're not priced too bad. And I know some people are like, oh, it's aftermarket. It's not as strong as the material they used to make these Broncos out of. Sometimes you gotta give a little and take a little. So I mean, I'll take the refabricated. It looks more not than it's gonna be the quarter panels. Well, not so much the quarter panels. It's gonna be the rockers for sure. As you can see, the rockers are a little bit eaten up, or a lot eaten up. Yep. Also, guys, if you guys have any suggestion, comments, if you guys have built a Bronco before, comment below to let us know what engines you guys use, what suspension parts, what is the best route, what are some mistakes that you guys made that you guys are gonna be able to help me out with by not making the same mistakes. Comment below, let us know what you think. If you've done one of these Broncos before, let us know what you think about this current pickup. Was it a good pickup? Was it a total bust? Just let us know, guys. We definitely want to interact with you in the comment section. And yeah, so just stay tuned with us. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and like our videos. Hit the bell notification for more content to pop up on your new notifications. So thank you guys once again. We love you guys and have a great afternoon.